I teach classes that are often fairly large, and if you wanted to do student presentations either in groups or individually, it would use up an inordinate amount of class time. An alternative is to create presentation assignments outside of class time. The last week of the semester was set up with 1 hour bookings. And during those bookings, we had students present for 15 or 20 minutes. They were live, meaning they were being recorded, but they were live and I was there. And at the end of the presentation, everybody would present. There'd be a Q&A. The next half hour, I would say thank you very much. And I would depart and write up a written set of feedback. I would send them that feedback, and I would also send them the recording of the presentation. That's an opportunity that we don't normally get in the classroom. If students do presentations, well, they do the presentations, but they don't get to see themselves afterwards because it's generally not recorded. So that was one aspect of the course that was easier to do, and I hope, student feedback, more valuable than it would have been in a regular classroom presentation. Many students felt that I was making a difference in their education, and they felt very positively towards the format. I always hope that if students feel that you're putting in an effort, they might put in a bit of an effort and they may feel their education is valuable and it may motivate them.